So about 4 years, I woke up with about 4 fingers that I could not bend, and it wasn't arthritis. I'd gone to several specialists, they couldn't figure it out. It wasn't stiff joints, it felt like knives going into my hand every time I would bend my fingers. They tried to figure it out, couldn't figure it out. I tried all sorts of supplements, it would take the edge off. I tried a whole different regimen for about a year, it kinda helped, but it still wasn't totally touching this inflammation, very systemic, going from finger to finger. About every year, it'd go into a different finger. I'm like, what is this story my hand is telling me? And then Amanda, we kept orbiting each other. We didn't know each other at that point. We just kept connecting with each other on social media. And she finally just said, why don't you just try the patch? And so I stuck that patch on, and within a week, my inflammation was down probably 90%. And I was like, okay, I don't know what this is, but I'm so, so grateful for it. Amanda did want me to tell you. So like I've had great mobility in my hands for about 4 months now, but it did flare up over the past week. And just a reminder to people that our bodies, our healing is not linear. And there's that
Yes,
retracing. Yeah, and stress levels and different things, and we have, like, our
yes,
little weak areas in our body, and it's my body talking to me, "What else do I need to do?" It's not that the patch isn't working, it's still incredibly working, but I'm just learning to be intuitive with my body, and I'm so grateful because I'm actually off the supplements that I was using before, and it's just the patch that's helping me.